In this module, I will teach you for 10th class about English writing. In English writing, a paragraph, descriptive paragraph, you will write. So, your question is write a descriptive paragraph on your favorite TV journalist in about 100 150 words में. You may include the following point. आप इन बिंदुओं को भी शामिल कर सकते हो your writing. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एन इंटरेस्टिंग इंट्रोडक्शन टू द पर्सन. आपको उसका एक इंटरेस्टिंग इंट्रोडक्शन देना है उस व्यक्ति का. अबाउट चाइल्डहुड एंड फैमिली, उसके बचपन कैसा था, उसका परिवार में क्या क्या थे. क्वालिटीज ऑफ द पर्सन, क्या उस व्यक्ति की क्वालिटी है. वर्क एंड पॉपुलरिटी, क्या उसकी पॉपुलरिटी शो. आई विल टेल यू ए पर्सन अबाउट बरखा दत्त. एक व्यक्ति का नाम. यू में राइट एनी. एनी का नाम किसी का भी नाम ले सकते हो. बरखा दत्त, इसके बारे में मैं आपको बताऊंगा. शी हैज बीन अ पॉपुलर जर्नलिस्ट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल लिसन एंड नोट डाउन इन योर पेपर. Anybody who follows serious news on Indian television is sure to be familiar with Barkha Dutt. कोई भी लोग और इनमें से anyone who hears or listen news from the TV who will well be know about the Barkha Dutt के बारे में जानता होगा. She was born on 18 December 1971. Barkha Dutt is an Indian TV journalist who wrote with New Delhi Television and DTV for 21 years. Her father S.P. Dutt, उनके पिता का नाम S.P. Dutt था. was an officer with Air India, तो ऑफिसर थे. and mother Parva Dutt was the chief of bureau of Hindustan Times for some time, कुछ समय के लिए वो रहे थे. बरखा spent for her childhood in both in Delhi and United States, New York City में. With her parents, Barkha went to modern school New Delhi and got her bachelor degree. और उन्हें अपनी बैचलर डिग्री को प्राप्त किया. got her bachelor degree in English literature from St. Stephen College, New Delhi. She completed her masters in mass communication for Jama Millar Islamia, New Delhi in 1999. Barkha's frontline reporters of Kalinga Kargil War made her instantly popular with the mass travel कर दिया था. Her work mainly focused on conflict reporting purpose. She covered Kashmir to Iran to Afghanistan. Her most popular show was Be the People, as well as the Daily Prime Time show. The Buck Stop Here. She was awarded the Padma Shri in 2008 for her coverage for the 2004 tsunami. She left NDTV in 2017. So, dear student, this is your homework. I am telling you this question again. Anybody who follows serious news on Indian TV or India TV is sure to be familiar with Barkha Dutt. Barkha Dutt was born on 18th November 1971. Barkha Dutt is an Indian TV journalist who worked with New Delhi Television in short and DTV for 21 years तक काम किया था. His father S.P. Dutt was an officer in Air Force, Air India, and her mother Parva Dutt was the chief of bureau of the Hindustan Times for some time, कुछ समय तो रही थी. Barkha Dutt spent her childhood in both New Delhi and in United States city New York with her parents. Barkha went to modern school New Delhi and got her bachelor degree in English literature from St. Stephen's College, New Delhi. She completed her master in mass communication from Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi in 1999. Barkha's frontline reporter of the Kargil, उनका जो कारगिल था was made her instantly popular. तथा मासिक जनसमीक्षा में लोकप्रिय कर दिया था. Her work mainly focused to Afghanistan. Her most popular show was Be the People, as well as the Daily Prime Time show. the work show here. She was awarded the Padma Shri in 2008 for her coverage of the news in 2004 tsunami. She left NDTV in 2017. Now, dear student, this is only as a homework. You have to write in full in your paper copy. That's all in this video.